Alright, and welcome back. This right here is a Singer Touch and Sew, model 638. It is a straight stitch zigzag, and then at the top you put in some cams to change the stitch pattern. Let me adjust you a little bit right here. And we'll cover the cams here in a second. But just going over the front of the dial, this is your stitch length. All the way up's reverse. And if you have a certain stitch length that you want, you just turn this little knob here and it'll hold it. So it'll stop at that precise length after you go to reverse and back. And if you unscrew it all the way, it's the longest length. And this right here is your stitch width for your zigzag or specialty stitches. All the way to 5 is the widest, and then the most narrow. And you can adjust the needle position on this, center, right, left, and it just moves it. So you can do a straight stitch and have the needle all the way to the right or left. And then there's your power light on and off, and your bobbin down in here. Now these touch and sews, they thread a lot differently than the majority of the machines out there. It's not easier or harder, it's just different. So just, I'm not going to go through the threading in the bobbin because there's other videos that explain that. But winding the bobbin is very different. But I'll put a link to a instructional video on how to wind the bobbin in the description of this video. But I just wanted to give a quick overview of this machine and sew on it a little bit, show you what comes with it. Like I said, it has these cams, and they pop in the top here. You just pop this up, and these cams just pop out and pop in. So the zigzag cam's in it right now. Then you have a bunch of different other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional cams. And then there should be a, let's see, I don't know if you can see them real good, but there is a little sample of some of the stitches it does, and it's a very good sewer. Also, this machine comes with extra bobbins. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bobbins, plus the one in there, so you get 9 bobbins. And then another thing that makes this a really good, nice, complete kit here is it has this straight stitch plate. So this plate can pop out by this is raises the plate so the feed dogs aren't so aggressive. So if you're using finer like silks and satins and stuff like that, but if you go all the way to the left, it unlocks it. You can pop that plate out, put this plate in. So the plate that's in here now, it has a wide opening for the zigzag, for the needle to go back and forth. This here has a tiny single hole where that needle will go down. Now you can only use the straight stitch with this, obviously, because if you do a zigzag, you're going to break your needle. But this is really good for satins, silks, very fine material like that, where you want that just a tiny, the smallest opening possible. So that's a huge plus with this setup here. And let's see, the pedal is right here. It's very nice. I cleaned it up. It's fully functional. And we'll go ahead and put a piece of material in here. We'll kind of take a listen. I like to see how slow machines go. Sometimes you get some machines, and as soon as you press the machine, the pedal, it just goes full blast. So we don't want that. Go reverse. Let's turn it around. Let me put it under my foot. There, you can go nice and slow with your this style of pedal is so easy to use with your foot as opposed to other pedals. reverse, forward, and then we will go, let's do a zigzag stitch. Let's go fully wide, kind of narrow, and let's sew. Oh. And that is that. Another thing that I noticed on here, it has this buttonholer. This just says buttonhole, and it's on the off position. And then here, it says buttonhole, and has some symbol and then off. So it's in the off position. So I haven't used it. I'm not sure really how to use it. So I can't really talk too much about the buttonhole thing. But other than that, everything in here there's nothing missing. It's been completely cleaned up, completely lubricated. Now, the Singer Touch and Sew, if you go online and research them, they do have the nylon gears. This is when they started using the nylon gears, and I have seen some touch and sews come in with cracked gears and things like that. But this here, all the gears look good, and it looks like they had already been replaced at some point, because usually the original gears are like a white cream colored gear, and all of these are black. Like when you order replacement gear, they're black. So I think this has been completely rehauled at some point by the time I got it. And then when I got it, I went through everything, cleaned everything out, made sure everything's set to factory specifications, everything's lubricated, gears are all lubed, all the levers are ready to go, and it's a complete package. And also, it does come with a lid here. I'll just let you see how it looks. So this just goes over top. And then on the sides you just latch it, and then there's a handle at the top so you can take it portable with you. So that is the Singer Touch and Sew. Make sure I got that model right. 638. Thanks for stopping by.